Welcome back to Today Trend. In this video, we'll introduce you to stock screeners. By the end of this video, you'll understand what stock screeners are and how to use them to find investment opportunities. Stock screeners are online tools that allow you to filter and search for stocks based on specific criteria such as market capitalization, PE ratio, dividend yield, and more. They help investors quickly identify stocks that meet their investment strategies. Using stock screeners, you can create custom filters to find stocks that fit your desired characteristics, such as growth stocks, value stocks, or dividend-paying stocks. Many financial websites and brokerage platforms offer free stock screener tools. Stock screeners save time and provide a systematic approach to discovering potential investments, making them essential tools for both new and experienced investors. Imagine you're looking for undervalued stocks with a PE ratio below 15 and a dividend yield above 3%. You'll use a stock screener to apply these filters and generate a list of stocks that match your criteria. Think of stock screeners like search engines for stocks. Just as search engines help you find information online, stock screeners help you find investment opportunities based on your preferences. In summary, stock screeners are valuable tools for filtering and finding stocks that meet your investment criteria. Stay tuned for our next video on using financial news sites.